All right, so let's take a look to see what happened in the markets today, Friday, January 29th. And we're trying to do this in 5 minutes or less. Well, we finally came to an end of this crazy week. And today it was another big sell-off in the stock market. So let's take a look at the indices and see where they are closed. So here right now we're seeing the Dow Jones, and the Dow, as you can see, closed down 2% for the day and down 3.3% for the week. Let's take a look at the next index here, and we'll take a look at the S&P 500. And the S&P 500, as you can see here, also down today 1.93%, and also for the week down 3.3%. So going lower. What about the Nasdaq? So finally, let's take a look at the Nasdaq and see what's happening there. So the Nasdaq actually today down 2.9%, and for the week down 3.3%. So as you can see, overall not doing too well. And also for the month, today was the last trading day in the month, and the Dow and the S&P were in the red, but the Nasdaq finished up 0.6%. So that was good. So a few stocks that stood out today. Let's first start with Johnson & Johnson, because today there were a lot of news other than Reddit stocks about vaccine. Now Johnson & Johnson was one of the bigger losers in the Dow today. As you can see, Dow down 3.6% on very mixed coronavirus vaccine news. The good news, with Johnson & Johnson you only need one dose instead of two like the others. Now the bad news, it's only 66% effective, while the others are more than 90% effective. Now talking about more effectiveness, this is where today we got some good news from Novavax. So Novavax, as you can see today, up big, up 65% today. Woohoo, up and away. So this is on positive data for its coronavirus vaccine, because Novavax released a study that they conducted in the UK, and this study showed that the two-shot vaccine was almost 90% effective against COVID-19. But hey, I mean, who are we kidding? This is cute. But the big movers that everyone continues to watch are the Reddit stocks. So these include GME. Let's take a quick look at GME here. As you can see, oh my gosh, what a move. So today, up 67%. And I believe for the week, we have been up, let me just check. It was like crazy. Let me just quickly see here if we can see the results for the week. Look at this, 399%. So yesterday the stocks sold off, but today they bounced right back, because yesterday we had a bunch of online brokers, including Robinhood, restricting traders from buying them. But today they were skyrocketing again after Robinhood and other brokers said that they would allow limited trading on the stock. See, especially Robinhood, they said it tapped into credit lines and raised more than $1 billion from investors overnight to cover the capital requirements to trade them. And so let's see how some of them closed. So GameStop traded as high as 413. Let's just take a look at this here. As high as 413 today, closed up 67% for the day, and 399%, almost 400% for the week. Wow, this is just crazy. Now another one on this list here is AMC. Let's see what we are doing here on AMC. I was actually trying today to sell a few options for $4.50. Didn't get filled, but let's take a look at what's happening. So here, AMD, as you can see, up 53%. That is just crazy. Where are we for the week? I'm just curious. And for the week, we are up 277%. Wow. Now, another one that was on this list here is Express. So Express today up 27%. And let's see what happens here for the week. Up almost more than 235%. Wow. So these stocks are still on fire. Well, What's in store for next week? Of course, earnings season continues to roll on. So next week we have Amazon and Google reporting, and they are reporting on Tuesday. We also next week have some economic events, and let's take a look here at the economic calendar of Forex Factory. So the first big one is on Monday, as you can see, the manufacturing PMI. And then, of course, we have the big report, which is the unemployment rate that is being released on Friday. Now, of course, we also have the GameStop saga going on, and we'll see what happens next there. Well, this wraps up today's stock market news. Hope you enjoyed it. Keep in mind, trade what you see, not what you think, and I will see you in the next video.